as I can forget the trace of pleasure or regret. Maybe my treasure or the price I have to pay. Maybe the song that summer sings, maybe the tune that autumn brings, maybe 100 different things within the measure of a day. She may be the beauty or the beast, maybe the famine or the feast, may turn each day into wine when all I am. She may be the mirror of my dreams, the smile reflected in the stream. She may not be what she may seem inside her shell. Who always seems so happy in a crowd, whose I can be so private and so proud. No one's allowed to see them when they cry. She may be the love that cannot hope to last, may come to me from shadows of the past, but I remember to the day I die. She may be the reason I survive, and what and wherefore I'm alive, the one I care for through the rough and rainy years. Me, I take her laughter and her tears, and made them all my souvenirs. When she goes, I've got to go. The meaning of my life is she.